for the managers from Google, Accenture, and many more MNCs. And like along with that, even have started training the meeting students and parallelly preparing them for their jobs as well. So, what are the expectations that the
हाँ
MNCs
बोलो.
they need? So, I'm going to follow up on those. As everyone they used to have one perception.
अविनाश
If
भाई
I
कुछ
know
बता रहे.
technical, I'll get the job. Is it true?
क्वेश्चन में कहाँ बा
If
क्वेश्चन में
I'm
कहाँ
very
बा
good at
बात करो.
C, if I'm very good at Java, I'll get the job. You'll get the job.
हाँ
Let's say if you're not good at communication, will you get? Yes or no?
फिर
So even in the upcoming sessions, I'll share you. I have worked
फिर ले ले बा
in MNCs as well, and almost like
ब्रेक
cleared
दूसरे का
tech
फिर.
job interviews without learning technical things and how it's possible. I'll share the story as well. And apart from that, in various other sectors I have worked, and I found this quite interesting. I mean, providing the training sessions for those who actually need. So we'll see all those things. But before that, yes, obviously people will not get job without communication.
बस है.
So before you start any course, okay, in case if you don't get, just ask me. Even in Hindi, Telugu, or any language which you feel comfortable. Okay. How many of you know Hindi by the way here? Hindi, Telugu. Okay. So as this is communication skills class, if you don't get something, here we will go with the 80-20 rule. You know what is that? 80-20? 80% English, 20% regional language. In case if you don't get, why? Because if I speak only Telugu or if I speak only Hindi or if I speak only Marathi or any other language, you will understand. But your main aim is to learn English. Yes or no? So initially, if you don't get, no worries. I'll give you enough time to have the queries. So we are in the trailer mode. So just watch the trailer. If you get any queries, feel free to ask. Okay. Once like before the movie starts, you will get enough time to decide whether to buy the movie ticket or not. Okay. Just feel free in my classes. So any queries from online? Voice based ज़्यादा है. Okay, cool. Everything I'll tell today is English, Hindi, Kannada. Okay, so we'll concentrate on English. अभी ठीक है voice? Hello. Yeah. Is it clear to you? Those who are sitting at the last, voice is clear? No. Oh, thank you. So why we have to learn English? Why? Anyone? Why we must learn English? Because everyone is learning. Why? Everyone understood the question?
Why you
Okay.
must
Why we
learn
have to learn English? Yeah, from online.
why everyone has to learn question.
English is global language. Very nice. This is important. Everywhere English is used. Okay, very nice. Anything else? See, speak something, right or wrong. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, here. Okay, it is must use. Okay, in IT, every MNC. Okay, context free. Okay. Very important thing. English has become oxygen. In the sense, without oxygen, can we survive? In the same way, without English, one may not get a job. Is it true? Yes or no? Even you'll not believe. Even if you go with the salesperson job in the malls, they ask one thing. They don't ask your degree. They ask only one thing: whether you are good at English or not. Then after they see your graduation certificate or intermediate certificate or whatever. So very important thing. In order to get the job, English is mandatory. You have to survive. And as you can see in the picture, how the person is searching for the job. I hope everyone is searching in the same way, including Naukri, LinkedIn, what else? Okay, indeed. So many other sites, and everywhere, in each and every job description, they write one very important thing. That is, we want the candidates, those who are very good at communication skills Have you seen this? In every job description, along with the Java, Python, C++, or even .NET, along with that, they mention this. Very good at communication skills. And whatever the task it might be, whatever the job it might be, they used to ask. So first, very important thing is that in case of job. Second thing is that, as somebody said, as it's a global language, even though we have many more languages in the world, including German, French, but English is sought after every language. Because let's say if you go to Australia or New Zealand or UK or US or Canada or even India as well, if you go anywhere and if you just know one language, that is English, you can survive. That's all. Everyone agrees with my point? So wherever you go, if you are okay with English, you can survive. Even in India, for example, how many of you like traveling? Traveling. Others, you don't like traveling? How many of you like traveling? Please raise your hand. Okay, in online as well. How many of you don't like traveling? No traveling. Okay, so far, no one is raising their hand. See, let me tell you very very. I hope everyone has voter ID card. Yes. Even I hope you have been to the polling booth to cast your vote. So in that there is one button at the last in the AVM machine. What is that button? Nota. Everyone is aware of that nota? No? No idea? Okay. So it means I don't like any candidate. And if you press that button, it means your vote doesn't have any value. Okay. It means you are not supporting. In the same way, as I asked, like, how many of you like traveling? Few of them they said we like. And then the others, I thought, okay, they may not like. But the moment I ask how many don't like, even you are not raising them. So you come under yes. So either say yes or either say no. Don't worry. Okay, no one is going to judge you. That is the here. Those who have came, those who have come, they all have come only to learn English. That is the point. So don't feel shy. Get that point? How many of you have stage fear, by the way? Stage fear. Stage fear. Others? No stage fear? Very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Those who don't have stage fear, because most of the candidates they get rejected only due to this fear. Because even they know each and everything, but the moment they get into the interviews room, they forget the things. Has it happened with you? No. No. In case if it happens, don't worry. In this course, I will share each and every curriculum, not only grammar we are going to learn. We are going to learn even the things related to interviews as well. Okay. So one by one, as I told you, the trailer is going on. Just watch, and after that, you can decide. Okay. So till then, you just have to be with patience. So now let's talk about traveling and why traveling. Even by traveling, one can learn English. I'll tell you that right now. So let's say if you like traveling, and if you are from, let's say Delhi, and you have traveled to Tamil Nadu, and if you don't know Tamil, then which language you will speak? English. And let's say if you are from Tamil Nadu, and if you have traveled to Delhi, and you don't know Hindi, then English. So wherever you go, if you are okay with English, you can survive. But if you are not, then it would be very difficult for you. So English has also become class. Class in the sense, class is not the class of Java, doubts. Okay. Even in malls as well. Let's say if you go to any store, instead of asking in the regional language, if you ask what is the cost, what is the price of this particular shoe or what is the cost of this particular product. And the moment you speak in English, immediately they'll understand, oh, he might be from a rich class and he is going to buy. And very interesting thing. How many of you are BTech here? BTech? BTech? Okay. Graduates? Very nice. Especially this story, it suits to the BTech people. During their graduation, what they used to do, every they ask the price, and that too they ask in English. And not only here, even there is one more mall beside that metro. What is it? Galleria something. No. Next Galleria. So as they go and they prepare themselves very well, and as they reach, they ask the price, and they don't go alone. They go in a group, and thus they ask only the particular product which is not available in that shop, and thus the shopkeeper may feel that yes, this particular product is not available, and he may say that okay, next week I'll bring that, and next week these people they do. So the thing is that not only there, even if you go to KFC or McDonald's or anywhere, if you order in English, people feel that yes, you may come again. But if you order in the regional language, I'm not exaggerating the regional language, but that's the class which has become in the society. Even yesterday, as I have seen in the metro, a lady, as she was speaking in English, and to an extent, like people, they started respecting her. Like as she asked about the address, like how can I reach to this particular place? And in answer, like people, they were ready to answer, like how to reach that particular place. But the same thing, if you ask in the regional language, people may or may not answer. So that is what the value of English has been given in our India. So apart from malls, even those who are working people, let's say if you have joined any MNC, and if you think that I'm very good at technical, and the next position is like team lead or associate team lead or the manager. So you don't have to work on the technical. You just have to work on your communication because you are going to lead a team. And to lead a team, you need to be very, very good at English. Get the point? So not only the managers or the team leads, even the VPs or the CEOs of the company, they are not good at technical. They are just good at communication. For example, we have this person, Sundar Pichai. Everyone knows Sundar Pichai. If I say Google, then everyone will see this. Okay. So as Sundar Pichai is very good at data science. Is good in C. Who knows? Is he? Is he good in AI? And why is he? Very, very important thing. He is very good at management skills, so-called soft skills, which is part of communication skills. So he is neither good at data science, neither good at AI, and nor at C or Python. But he is making almost 10 times more than any other employee in Google. And it is only due to communication skills. So-called management. Getting the point? So even in case of MNCs, if you want the career advancement, so-called promotion, you have to have very good communication skills. Hope you are getting the point. So it's not that only to get a job, even to get promotion, you need to have this. Hope you are getting the point. And apart from that, in case if you are planning for masters abroad, so over there, the common test they used to conduct called IELTS and TOEFL. And I hope, in case if you are aware of that's good. If not, then let me tell you, we used to conduct the test based on English. And if you are good at English, then easily you can clear the test. If not, then again you need to pay some 15 or 20K in order to appear for the next test. Until you don't get good bands like 7 or 7.5 or 8 or 8.5. So in a nutshell, I would say that wherever you go, English gonna come with you. Getting the point? Okay. So whatever the sector you decide, whether it is in job or whether you're traveling, whether you want a promotion or whether you go to mall, everywhere you have to be with English. Getting the point? Now the question is, how many of you know English? Just raise your hand. I'm not asking 10%, 5%. I'm just asking a simple question. How many of you know English? Yeah. Even in online, you can raise your hand. No, but don't worry about fluency. Fluency will take care, Mesh. Yeah, basically, feel free. See, this means I know 30, 40. Okay. Yeah, in online, don't worry. Even you'll get the opportunity from tomorrow. Yeah, here. How many of you know English? Please raise your hand. Okay, I'm not talking about fluency. I'm just asking how many of you know English. Okay. Everyone understood the question? Shall I tell in Hindi or Telugu as well? No? That's See, don't worry about the regional. Why I'm not emphasizing on that? Because there is a very good book called Atomic Habits. Anyone heard about this book? By James Clear, Atomic Habits. What it says, let's say today if you improve just 0.001%, tomorrow you may improve 0.0034. In the same way, if you learn one word today, tomorrow you may improve to 3, 4. So that's it. But if you just learn in your regional language, so you may feel that I'm learning, but you'll not get it. Getting the point? So don't worry if you are not able to understand each and everything. Just note down if you don't get something and ask me at the end. Getting the point? Or even in between you can interrupt and you can ask. Okay. Yes, so here as no sir, very weak. Okay. No English, no but intermediate 10% of very nice. Okay. So I hope now everyone knows English. Yes? Yes, sir? Anyone who says I don't know English, please raise your hand. How many of you do not know English or don't know English? Okay, few of them. So, those who say I don't know English, what is this? Everyone knows alphabets A to Z. Even not even small letters, just capital letters. Everyone knows, I guess. And I hope you can read these things: apple, butterfly, cat, dog, elephant. Everyone. It means you know how to read and write. And even to an extent, you can speak as well. The only thing you are not good at is fluency. I hope everyone is good at writing and reading. Just the basic words. So if you are good at reading and writing, then very important. Now once again, how many of you are very good at Hindi? Okay. Very good at Telugu. Okay. Very good at Marathi. Okay. Odia. Okay. Any other languages? Kannada. Okay. In online we have any language. Okay. Bengali. Okay. Telugu. Okay. What else? Tamil. Telugu, Kannada. Okay. Why I'm asking? Soon you'll understand. Okay. Here, like in this course, you may have the notion that okay, spoken English is something that okay, we learn grammar, but here we are going to learn English with grammar, without grammar. Okay, after the trailer, I'll tell you how it is possible. So, those who are very good at Hindi, who are they? Please raise your hand. Very good at Hindi. Oh, very nice. Now, the question is, what do we say platform ticket in Hindi? Platform ticket. Even in Telugu, platform ticket. In Marathi, Odia, any language other than English, because platform ticket is an English word. Yes, sir. What do you say? No. As you are saying that we are like, as you are saying that you are good at your mother tongue. What do we say? Yeah, there is one answer from online team. In Hindi same, in Telugu same. Then how? There might be some other words. Okay. What do we say to a bus station in Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Odia, Bengali? Platform ticket only. Okay. Platform ticket, huh? Yeah, bus station. Bus. The bus is the English word, yes, sir? Yes. Then how? Good. Char पहिए. Then how about truck or lorry or car? Car stand, taxi stand, auto stand we have. Yeah, from online anyone? Basulu Agu Pradesham, okay. See, railway ticket is not my question. So, buses like Basulu Agu Pradesham, it's nothing but like Basulu only Pradesham Agu, like ikkada naadu. Okay? Buses can stop anywhere. Okay. Anyone else who can? Okay. How about cricket or football in Hindi, Telugu, Marathi? We have actually, but we are not habitual. This is what Naveen one is. Now, let me come to one conclusion. Just listen this very carefully. Why I brought this things? Even there are many things which we actually use only in English. For example, let me tell a thought story with the help of which you'll understand. There used to be a farmer, you know, he was working in his agricultural field, and as he was uneducated, so he want his child, so-called his son, to educate. So he enrolled his son in a nearby school. So one day, as he was working, he saw that his son did not go to school. So he asked his son, why you did not go to school? But what actually he has to say, as he is illiterate, so what do we say school in Telugu, Hindi? No, school को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? विद्यालय. In Telugu? विद्यालय में. पाठशाला. So he has to use pathshala or vidyalaya. But what he said, school. Even though the farmer, he was illiterate. Then after, the son said, I got fever, I am not feeling well. So the father said, let's go to hospital. But instead of saying hospital, what he has to use? Chikitsalaya. Hospital, okay. So instead of using hospital, he has to use that. But even though he was using same word for hospital, then as they went to the hospital, the person, so-called the farmer, he asked, where is the doctor? But instead of saying doctor, what he has to say? What do you say, doctor in Hindi, Telugu? Doctor? Vaidhudu. Okay. In Hindi? Chikitsa. So he has to use that. But what he was using? He was just using doctor. So in the whole story, as you can see, this person, educated Vaidya, okay, Davakhana. So he was just using the words in English. So anyone from data science here? Those who are doing any data science course? Yeah, from morning. In this course, like I'll correlate each and everything, and you'll get clear that clarity about English. Okay, so English is not that only which is based on grammar. You can correlate, like even I'll correlate with your Farnum and Bible passage. Now, so this person, like according to a survey, and it is done, and those who are from data science, why I said because they used to plot pie graph or even bar chart. So the survey, it says almost 30% of the illiterate people, I'm not saying literate, illiterate means those who have